Alright, I have traction control lights on, and usually when that's the case, it's a ABS sensor that I replace and it's fine. So that's what I'm going to do and see if that also will help the check engine light. It's got a code on that has something to do with the throttle, magnetic clutch or something, but I'm hoping that's related. We'll find out. So here's the ABS sensor that goes into my 2001 Toyota Sequoia. Just be close to your brake calipers. You gotta crawl into there and look behind the wheel and you'll see it. So once you're underneath your car, this is the front right sensor. There it is. Right there. It's just a 10mm bolt that you have to undo, and you follow that up all the way through there. You find some more things you have to undo. They're 10mm, and see where it's plugged in. So pretty easy fix. Check engine light is off, traction control lights are off. It's a good sign. We'll see if that stays.